The central bank digital currency market is projected to hit a $213 billion valuation by 2030. Against this backdrop, Ripple has set an ambitious target of capturing a significant portion of the market. This thirst for growth is evidenced in several CBDC-focused initiatives. Notably, a report from Juniper Research highlights the tremendous growth potential of CBDCs, as their global value is expected to skyrocket from the current $100 million to an estimated $213 billion within the next decade. This would mark a 212,900% increase in 7 years. Ripple underscores this in a recent article, calling attention to its penchant for expansion in the industry. With the world rapidly shifting towards a digital financial landscape, Ripple has emerged as a frontrunner in offering innovative CBDC solutions. It was recently disclosed that the Republic of Palau collaborated with Ripple to launch its native stablecoin, a project that is now live, running on the public XRP ledger and utilizing XRP. The recent Ripple article also highlights the company's dedicated CBDC platform. Ripple rolled out the CBDC solution on May 18th. The platform, which allows central banks and other financial institutions to develop their own digital currencies, represents Ripple's efforts at penetrating the CBDC scene. Moreover, Anthony Welfare, the CBDC advisor at Ripple, confirmed last month that Ripple is collaborating with the Central Bank of Montenegro to provide technical support for developing the country's digital currency. As reported, Welfare also disclosed that Ripple was ranked as a top leader for CBDCs from 15 vendors. Ripple's desire to penetrate the CBDC scene was evident in September 2021 when it announced a partnership with the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan, the country's central bank. The partnership would allow the country to pilot its CBDC on the private XRP ledger. Ripple was also part of the panel which discussed CBDCs at this year's DMI symposium. Ripple understands the potential of CBDCs and is looking to leverage this promise. Notably, several central banks have already taken significant strides in their CBDC initiatives. For instance, Brazil's central bank plans to launch its own CBDC in 2024, while the Bank of England has demonstrated its commitment to a digital pound. In a recent panel discussion on tokenization, Nancy Beaton, the Chief Revenue Officer, CRO, of Uphold, a leading US-based trading platform, affirmed that the XRP token meets all the legitimate criteria for listing on the exchange. During the panel, Beaton discussed Uphold rigorous listing criteria, emphasizing the company's commitment to compliance and security. She said Uphold maintains a listing committee that reviews tokens based on factors such as security, audits, founders' credibility, token distribution, and other legitimate criteria. Interestingly, according to the CRO, approximately 70% of the tokens that seek listing on Uphold's platform do not meet its stringent standards. On the other hand, XRP checked all the boxes. Regarding the decision to retain XRP on the platform despite the ongoing lawsuit, Beaton explained that Uphold prioritizes compliance and legality. While acknowledging the existence of the lawsuit, she noted that Uphold legal counsel had found no legal precedent that would require them to delist XRP. The revenue officer maintained that until there is legal clarity, the exchange believes it is prudent to retain support for XRP and keep it listed on the platform. This approach contrasts the decision taken by other exchanges, such as Kraken and Coinbase, both of which ceased support for XRP shortly after the SEC's charges surfaced. Coinbase, which has also had legal issues with the SEC, remains firm in this decision despite its CLO agreeing with Ripple's position in the lawsuit. Notably, besides Uphold's revenue officer, the recent panel also featured Fabio Velarde, the strategic growth manager of Sologenic, shedding light on the collaboration between Uphold and Sologenic. Sologenic is an ecosystem built on the XRP ledger, providing a comprehensive range of services related to XRP, including asset tokenization, decentralized trading, an NFT marketplace, and an ideal launchpad. On the other hand, Uphold acts as an entry point to this technology, serving as a partner to Sologenic. Uphold recently listed Corium and Sologenic on its platform, and the partnership has been instrumental in promoting these tokens to its users. Similarly, as previously reported, Sologenic's token, Solo, became the first XRPL token to be listed on a Tier 1 exchange last July when Huobi Global, a leading crypto exchange in South Korea, declared support for it. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about Dexpool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider. Known as a market maker, it's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, You receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DexPool. DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Furthermore, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, recently acknowledged the possibility of an upcoming initial public offering, IPO, following the resolution of a regulatory case in the United States. Specifically, over the weekend, Garlinghouse was captured liking a post where the renowned Wall Street brokerage platform, NASDAQ, congratulated Ripple's acquisition of Metaco, an institutional digital asset custody, trading, and DeFi firm. Recall that, as the Crypto Basic recently disclosed, Ripple acquired Metaco for $250 million on May 17th, demonstrating its thirst for growth and the readiness to expand into the digital asset custody and tokenization scene. NASDAQ has applauded the firm's strategic move. Considering NASDAQ's prominence as a hub for publicly traded companies, the Ripple CEO's recent action has sparked numerous speculations, particularly given that Ripple is a privately owned company. In a post that has garnered the attention of multiple individuals in the crypto community, Twitter user Renee David theorized a Ripple IPO connecting various events from the past to the current development. David highlighted that NASDAQ was planning to launch a crypto custody solution in the third quarter of this year, and Metaco, the recently acquired firm, already offers such a service. The Twitter user concluded that Ripple would go public after succeeding in its ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. regulator. Florida-based blockchain enthusiast Digital Dirt expressed astonishment that NASDAQ is congratulating a private company on an acquisition. Think they know there's a new listing coming soon, the crypto proponent speculates. In recent years, Ripple has considered going public through an initial public offering. However, due to the ongoing legal dispute between the company and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, discussions about these plans have been overshadowed. The recent acknowledgement by NASDAQ regarding Ripple's latest business development could serve as a subtle endorsement for the company to consider listing on the exchange if it ultimately decides to go public. While the crypto community anticipates a possible IPO, the Ripple CEO has recently confirmed when its multi-year legal tussle would get a favorable decision from the court following a recent landmark victory in the litigation. As reported last week, Garlinghouse expects the suit to end in the coming weeks. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Judge Annalisa Torres' decision on Hinman's emails has prompted discussions and speculations within the XRP community. Recall that on May 16th, Judge Annalisa Torres denied the SEC's motion to seal the emails and drafts relating to the controversial 2018 cryptocurrency speech by William Hinman, former director of SEC's Corporation Finance. According to the court's ruling, the drafts of Hinman's speech are expected to be made public on June 13th. Despite the ruling, several XRP enthusiasts still speculate that the commission might settle with Ripple to prevent the documents from being made public. However, Ripple CTO David Schwartz does not believe the blockchain company has the authority to agree to keep the documents confidential. According to Schwartz, Judge Torres has already ruled that Hinman's emails and drafts are judicial documents, and the public's right to access outweighs all other factors, including a settlement between Ripple and the SEC. Schwartz made this known in response to a discussion by prominent XRP community member and acclaimed crypto sleuth Mr. Huber. "I am not a lawyer, but I don't think Ripple can agree not to make them public." In a tweet, Mr. Huber commented on Deaton's previous remarks that Coinbase could request access to Hinman's emails if Ripple agrees not to make them public. Mr. Huber doubts Coinbase would willingly want to get close to anything connected to Hinman's emails. He noted that the American exchange was already involved in the controversy surrounding Hinman's documents. Interestingly, pro-XRP lawyer and crypto law founder John Deaton also joined the conversation. Deaton agreed with Schwartz's opinion on the matter. He emphasized that Hinman's emails would be unsealed irrespective of whether Ripple settles with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Deaton, the motion filed by Forbes contributor Rosalind Layton to obtain Hinman's emails was ruled moot because the documents were being unsealed. The prominent lawyer asserted that Judge Torres would revisit Layton's motion if the SEC settles with Ripple and agrees not to release the emails publicly. Deaton speculates that other media outlets will also file different motions to access the documents. In addition, the pro-XRP attorney believes other litigants like Dragon Chain will still get access to the documents even though Judge Torres denies Layton and other media outlets motions requesting access to Hinman's emails. Furthermore, as part of its expansion program in the Middle East, Ripple's on-demand liquidity partner Triango has partnered with Al Ansari Exchange, UAE's largest outward personal remittance. According to an announcement today, the strategic collaboration will further expand Triango's presence in the United Arab Emirates. Under the partnership, both companies will have the opportunity to improve their customers' remittance experiences. Triango Group CEO Jackie Lee expressed excitement about the development, adding that the move will bolster both the GCC region and UAE's cross-border payment experience. Now to the big question of the day: is XRP hitting the $2 mark anytime soon? John Deaton, the founder of Crypto Law and a pro-XRP attorney, recently commented on the perceived apathy observed among investors who have failed to procure XRP below $1. The lawyer believes these individuals are missing an investment opportunity, as they will likely jump on the train when the asset crosses $2. XRP sits at 50 cents, and it's crazy to think about how many people who refuse to buy it now are going to buy it over $1, Deaton tweeted. Deaton's latest remarks expressed the attorney's shock that some investors have failed to leverage the opportunity to purchase XRP at a discounted price below $1. This syncs with the sentiment shared by several prominent analysts who have forecasted massive gains for the asset in the foreseeable future. Despite Deaton's shock at this level of investor apathy, the attorney believes the broader crypto community would likely not ride on the looming XRP rally until the asset has breached the $2 price. What's even more crazy is that FOMO won't likely kick in until $2, he stressed. The recent comments from Deaton highlight a dominant pattern observed among investors in the crypto scene and beyond. Notably, most proponents only jump on an asset when they observe major surges in value, leading to increased FOMO. Attorney Deaton's remarks echo a similar disclosure made by YGRAG, a skilled chartist. As disclosed last month, YGRAG asserted that XRP trading below the $1 price level presents a life-changing investment opportunity for investors. This proclamation underscores YGRAG's conviction of a looming price surge for the asset. In a more recent analysis, the market watcher pointed out that XRP is currently in a crucial position, and its price movement from here could take it to $3.30 or propel a price surge to $250. Responding to Deaton's comments, another analyst JD noted that XRP is currently stuck within a bullish symmetrical triangle. JD asserted that XRP would likely break out of the triangle by September. He forecasts a massive rally for the asset once it breaks out, but chooses not to make any projected price targets. Meanwhile, XRP is currently trading for 50 cents, up 4.38% in the past week. The asset has printed consecutive winning candles in the past 4 days, leading to a 6.29% gain within the time frame. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.